We can make a couple videos out here. If you want to. Y'all really gonna do this?
That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.
They say, look, now I'm where you been at, I'm just passing the bridge. I've been running up a check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been coolin' laying low, but I'm not taking the seat. But just know a nigga back in this time I won't leave. I've been running, gotta chase me it back. I got hundreds on my neck and I got shoes on my ass. Niggas said I'm going broke, well I just take it and laugh. I be speeding in that foreign with 5-0 on my ass. But I'm that nigga, I won't never change. Rubbing off the paint. Smoking dank, got a Uzi in my lap, I let it bang. Free Lil Tay, no he keep a K, but he not take pay. Got the chop and let it blow, watch this bitch heat his face, I'm that nigga. And all my young niggas pulling triggers, we gorillas. We let this bitch off until you feel us, for you niggas. That's always on IG with them yickies taking pictures. Is you really gon' use them or you just loafing for them bitches? You niggas really hoes and you be acting like these bitches. Niggas say I solid, but y'all probably in there snitching. Most of the niggas that's around me throwing seeds like they crippin', but they do it for the twins. Free Lil Corey and Lil Christian. I'm rockin' with my shooters and that's mandatory. One up top like I'm Mozzie, bitch I keep a 40. You say I'm lacking, nigga try me, shoot you in your shorty. I'm cooking up in a lab like I'm Rick and Morty. 40 popper, hit a mobster, turn your brain to pasta. Hit a opera, dread swinging just like I'm a roster. Smoking ganja and I'm zooted, walking in my product. Any nigga touch my gangster, nigga, I'm a problem. And we ain't throwing hands with you fuck niggas. It's one up top up in that chamber, better duck, nigga. Niggas dissing on Lil Valley, he get slumped, nigga. We shoot his body, then we lay him in that trunk.
That's what I thought you said.
I'm 100, but that's on my life. I will never fold a nigga speaking on Lil Quavo, and that nigga gotta go on. Really small, but I can fight, but I'ma still up that pole. For you niggas think I'm pussy, you gon' have to show me, ho. Police always at my fucking crib. I don't tell them shit, I'm really rapping about this fucking life that I fucking live. But I be coolin', tryna focus on them fucking dividends. But if it's money on your head, well I'ma fucking get it, man.
Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.